Hi everyone, today my skin needs a scrub and I'm going to make a face scrub mask. So let's go. In this video we need argan oil, coffee powder, honey and lemon. First cut the lemon and squeeze the juice. After that, take them out seeds lemon and add a spoon coffee powder. After that, mix together. I got ready to put on the mask. Lemon with coffee helps in the remove tan and lighting up the skin. It also provides a mild bleaching effect which helps get rid of dead skin and encourages new skin cell growth. After 20 minutes I washed my face and I dried my face. Honey is known to be antibacterial and pretty moisturizing, so it's good to use to after facial scrub. And it tastes good, of course. So on the last, take your favorite moisturizer and just don't put on your face. I'm used argan oil because argan it's very moisturizing but not oily. Thank you guys for watching my video.